There we go. There's a runner. He's actually running down Lakeshore Drive. Hopefully he doesn't have his music on.
Let's stay overnight here, huh?
Oh, the garbage truck got him out. Building there. That's cool. By the lake. Any other people out there?
Oh, yeah.
Very street. Right. Being chilly today. Okay, we're coming up to the edge of
There's a big drift right there.
Oh yeah.
Like us.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, that's weird. Yeah.
There goes another runner. Crazy. Look out behind you. Let's cheer him on. Hey! Okay, well that's what is happening in a snowstorm. Love it. Nice day out, huh? Lakeshore Drive. Not really flying too well that way either. Your face looks like it ought to be cold.
Oh well, get used to it.
This car's a little buried. Almost got home.
Get those girls screaming and yelling.
A little bit. Well, back home. Home sweet home.
If you need anything.